Here it is, the official look of OnePlus 8, and also new color options have been came up for this OnePlus 8 which are really cool, and OnePlus has also officially announced the launch date, and I will be talking about all of these in this video. So the photo you are looking at right now is the official look of OnePlus 8 from WinFuture's renders, and this is actually looking really fantastic. This is new color option named as Glow because it has gradient colors. As you can see, phone has a orange and purple colors at rear side, and from bottom orange is going upward and then fades into purple. This color reminds me of Instagram logo, which also has same kind of color. Other than that, two more color options have been confirmed. Also, the one is Glacial green and other is black, which will be marketed as Oynx black. And these are all the colors for OnePlus 8, but unfortunately in OnePlus 8 Pro we won't see that glow option. We might see that Glacial green and Oynx black colors, but not this glow option according to leaks, which is really disappointing. And except that OnePlus 8 series is having three smartphones, OnePlus 8, OnePlus 8 Pro, which will be more premium variant than OnePlus 8, and one will be OnePlus Z, which is going to be the basic of all these variants. So OnePlus 8 Lite and OnePlus Z, these are the names of that single basic variant, and not confirmed that what will be its name, Z or Lite. And talking about the specs of OnePlus 8, then it is going to have 6.5 inches AMOLED display with HDR10+ support, while Pro variant could have 6.65 inches or 6.7 inches display. The OnePlus 8 is also having 90Hz refresh rate display, which will provide smooth experience, but OnePlus 8 Pro will end up providing smoothest performance ever because it will have 120Hz with 2K resolution, which is something that S20 Ultra didn't have. So thumbs up for this major improvement in OnePlus 8. And then OnePlus 8 is not having any pop-up or notched camera design this time, but it will have a single punch hole selfie camera at the top left corner, which is expected to be a 16 megapixel sensor. And at the rear side we will see triple camera setup, which will be packing up 48 megapixel primary lens, a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. And no telephoto lens will be there, but OnePlus 8 Pro may have a telephoto lens. Talking about battery, then it will have 4300 milliamps of battery with expected charging speed of 30 watts, and also we will see an in-display fingerprint scanner in OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. Not sure about base variant, will it have or not. And another thing is MEMC chip, which is a mind-blowing thing from OnePlus, which can actually convert your 24 fps normal videos into 120 fps videos. And yes, OnePlus 8 series will be having it, and OnePlus has also officially announced the launch date, which is April 14. Other than that, 5G support is also confirmed in all OnePlus 8 variants now again, as OnePlus has posted it on Twitter, and it was also teased by OnePlus a couple of weeks ago. So this thing is also now 100% confirmed. And that were all specs of OnePlus 8 and the official look of OnePlus 8. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech news and tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.